Introducing the 95-6563. A stereo installation kit that fits Jeep Cherokee models 2014 to 2023. Installing an aftermarket radio can upgrade the sound quality and provide additional features that the original factory radio couldn't offer. But this dash kit is required to make it fit. Constructed with high-quality ABS plastic for a durable factory-style fit and finish. Includes brackets and hardware parts needed with detailed installation instructions. A tech support number is available for installation help 7 days a week. Stereo installation kit designed to fit any standard 4-inch tall aftermarket radio with an ISO mount provision or an ISO single-DIN radio with a pocket. 88-00-9004 sold separately. Designed to accommodate the factory hazard and button panel for all trim levels. Painted scratch-resistant matte black with 2 included trim options, silver and bronze, for a factory-like appearance. If you would like to see the full installation video, click the link on the description below. Refer to our vehicle fit guide for up-to-date vehicle-specific applications. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterfaces.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.